What's up, people? So now it is 2026, and however, there are several people who still don't know how to use AI. I've been asked a question in the comment section below in some video. Someone actually told me, ask a question, how do we begin AI? How does one start to use AI? So now in this very brief video, I'm going to guide you on the step-by-step process on how we're going to start with AI from a total beginner. If you've ever used AI before, this video is definitely not for you. However, if you're still new, you've just heard about the massive trends of AI and you also want to join, this is another video for you. I've recorded a similar video like this some time back. You can go ahead and find the channel, or I'll link it somewhere here. So in this video, I'm just going to guide you from how to start from AI like a total beginner. It means that you've never heard about AI at all, or you've never tried using an AI tool, don't know nothing about AI. This video is for you. I've created a simple PowerPoint presentation here that it's available. So I'll link in the description so that you can go ahead and download. But if you would like to see more, you can actually comment. So it will be the description box. And without much more said, let us begin. So what is AI? AI stands for artificial intelligence. And it's a tool, take it as a tool that can think, write, and create just like a smart assistant that never gets tired. You imagine that you have hired a very smart, intelligent assistant, your personal assistant, to actually guide in lots of things. Take it as AI. AI actually helps with that. So it can help in think and write. It thinks, it reasons. So it can generate text, answer questions, and write essays in just a matter of seconds. So it can also create visuals. We're going to look at all these tools also that can create visuals. It can turn your words into stunning images and artwork. And the most important thing why we use AI is because we work faster. Before, there were two things that we could take almost 2 weeks to accomplish. However, right now with the power of AI, we can actually take just a day or even less than hours. So it helps us do work faster that we do in minutes that we used to take hours. For example, writing, research, and design. So why is AI important today? Why am I creating this video? Why do I want to learn AI? It's because the first and foremost thing is that it saves time, as we have said before. AI helps you save time, big time. For example, if in 2019, there's a task you used to do, it would take you 2 days. With AI, you can actually take 2 minutes or less, or at least 20 minutes if I'm exaggerating. So it actually automates repetitive tasks and focus on what really matters. Later on, I will show you how you can actually automate some tasks that you can actually leave it complete to AI, then don't focus on it. It can help students and creators. Even personally, AI has helped me. For example, this very beautiful presentation I've created with the Gamma AI. So about Gamma AI, there's also a video I created some time back where I actually explain how to use Gamma AI, the benefits of Gamma AI, and so on and so forth. You can go ahead and find my channel. So it helps research faster, write better, and produce more creative work. Students in schools have actually used AI tools. So it is used everywhere, AI right now. That's why most of the people actually, if you have internet access, you would have tested AI. That's why now, if you have never tested AI, after the end of this video, please go ahead and download any AI tool that I put in mention here and test it out because it is completely free. All the tools I'm going to talk about here are completely free. Only thing required is internet access and a smartphone that can access internet services. So you are not too late though. The best time to start to learn AI is right now, and you're already doing it. By you clicking on this video, you already want to learn AI. Yes, obviously the best time was yesterday, but the better time is today. So after the video, go ahead and start learning AI. So now to the main topic. How do you start using AI? So the secret to getting great results in AI is prompting. Take it as instructions, how you're going to tell the AI that this is what I want. How you tell your assistant that create me this and this, get me this presentation. That's what we call prompting. It's like an order that you're giving AI. The AI world is called prompting. So the secret to getting great results is the simple prompting. The better the prompt, the better the results. So think of it like giving instructions to a very smart assistant. I've explained this before. So once you give clear instructions and you be very specific, AI will actually bring for you the details, then you review and refine. So I don't want to waste much time. So let's start off with the AI tools. So the first, once you begin with looking at AI, the first tools you're going to have to interact with the first are chat AI tools. For example, in this case, I'm going to tag ChatGPT. You're going to use Perplexity. You're going to use Grok. The other AI tools, for example, Google's Gemini, there's DeepSeek, there's Cloud. All this you can actually access them free of charge and use them. So I will not talk much into them because I'm sure you've at least heard of them somewhere. So go ahead and download them. For Gemini, it actually comes with your phone. Most Android phones have Gemini, or even the iPhone users can also access it on the App Store. So from there, after testing all these AI tools, chat AI tools, you're going to go to productivity tools. So the next step is going to the productivity tools now. That is like second level that you're going to advanced stage of AI. So this is where you're going to test tools like Notion AI. You're going to use tools like Grammarly. You're going to use tools like Quillbot. After that, you're going to go to image generation tools. You're going to learn how to create images. The tools I would recommend, look for Leonardo AI, Canva AI, that can actually help you do this, create beautiful images for free of charge. I'll not tag them. There's an more detailed video I have about these tools. So go ahead and check the channel. You'll find those videos. Then you can actually go ahead and test them out yourself. So from that, the other tier is video generation and content AI tools. So I'm going to use tools like Runway ML. I'm going to use like Pika. And most of these video generation tools are actually paid for. However, in my channel, there are some tools I've talked about before. For example, HeyGen, I've talked about LM Arena, where you can actually get free access to all the premium models where you can generate videos for free. So about Arena AI, I'm going to tag it somewhere here. Then you can go ahead and actually learn how to create videos for free using Arena. So basically, this page is actually how everything connects. For example, here we have the chat AI, where you begin with. Then you can go to image, productivity, then AI video tool. All this I can actually give you a period of 2-3 days only. After that, you've tested it and everything, you can actually be good at AI. Remember, now to use AI, you don't have to master one. You have to keep on combining all of them together. Later on, I always show these videos in my channel here how you can use more than 5 AI tools to accomplish a task. So that comes to the end of our slide. So once you've tested all those things, you're ready to start. The most important thing is start. So after the end of the video, please pause the video, go ahead and download ChatGPT, go ahead and open Grok, go ahead and open Gemini. Then you can also practice. Start with one tool, then you can actually practice prompts daily, and then with that you'll be ahead of at least 5% of the people who have never even tested AI. So thanks for reaching here, and the videos I create AI tools, I create AI videos. If you find them interesting, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next one.